Good afternoon, all of you. In last practical of pharmaceutical analysis 1, I have discussed the syllabus and some terminologies that are very important for theory as well as practical of pharmaceutical analysis 1. Today we will start experiment number 1, that is calibration of volumetric apparatus. Volumetric apparatus. So aim of this practical to study and calibrate various volumetric apparatus which are used in pharmaceutical analysis. Then aim apparatus: pipette, burette, volumetric flask and measuring cylinder. Then we will see theoretical part. The calibration of volumetric glasswares. The volumetric glasswares are generally used is burette, pipette and volumetric flask for the measurement of accurate volume. Yes, those which instrument are used or which glasswares are used, that is burette, pipette and volumetric flask for measurement of accurate volume. The reliability of this volumetric glassware which is depend upon the volume actually contained or the delivered, and it is lacking, it provide a correction in the volume. Then the Indian Standard Institution has specified 27 degrees Celsius as the temperature at which the glassware is calibrated. As per Indian Standard Institution has specified that 27 degrees Celsius temperature at which the glasswares are calibrated. Since the laboratory temperature is usually not exactly 27 but must be calibrated when used at other temperature. This is because of error due to the expansion or the concentration of both glass vessel itself and also the solution content. Then the change in the volume of the solution itself is also important, but it can still be ignored if in many cases if working temperature is reasonably constant and at around 27 degrees Celsius. Then it may be noted that the volumetric glassware should meet standard laid down by Indian Standard Institution, that is ISI, and such glassware should be purchased in analytical laboratory because of high cost certified glasswares of ISI specifications, less expensive than glasswares are used after calibration. Then methods of calibrations. There are different methods. There are three general approaches to the calibration of volumetric glasswares. First, that is direct or the absolute calibration. In this, the volume of water is delivered by the burette or pipette or contained in volumetric flask is obtained directly from the weight of the water and its density. Then second, calibration by comparison, that is indirect. In this approach, the volumetric glassware is calibrated by using previously calibrated vessels, and it is especially convenient if the many pieces of glassware are to be calibrated. Then third, that is relative calibration. Sometimes it is necessary to know only the relationship between two atoms of glassware to be calibrated. There are three approaches. First, that is direct or the absolute calibration. Then second, calibration by comparison, that is indirect calibration. And third, that is relative calibration. For calculation of this, it requires beaker mass, then water mass, then volume delivered water, then deviation. The next, that is calibration of burette. A burette is a long calibrated glass tube with fine end tip and glass stop to allow the burette can be calibrated to delivered the burette can be calibrated to deliver specified volume. Then the burette is marked to indicate the temperature at which calibration is strictly applied. Then the burette consists of calibrated tube to hold titrant plus a valve arrangement by which the flow of titrant is controlled. Then First, that is before calibration, check the temperature in laboratory on analytical balance weight. First, before calibration, check the temperature in laboratory. Then, on analytical balance weight a dry beaker or weighing bottle. Then, add 10 to 15 ml of water to burette and allow the liquid to drain through a tip. Then free the tip of air bubbles by strong steam jet of water and permitting small quantities of water to pass. Then finally lower the level of liquid just to a somewhat below zero mark. Allow for drainage and then lower the water to bring the bottom of meniscus to the 0 to 0 ml mark. Then slowly transfer 5 ml of water to the beaker. Touch the tip to the wall of the beaker and wet the beaker with water. Then add more, that is 5 ml of water to a beaker to mark 10 ml on burette. Then repeat the weighing. Then test the burette at 5 ml interval over its entire volume. Then prepare a plot of concentration to be applied as a function of volume delivered. Then correction associated with any interval, it can be determined from this plot and the correction factor can be calculated. Then calibration of pipette. For procedure for that, clean and rinse the pipette thoroughly and dry it. Then weight the nearest milligram receiver generally. Then fill the pipette to a level above the edge line using the distilled water at the laboratory temperature. Then remove any liquid on outside and release pressure to allow liquid to fall to each line. Then discharge the content of pipette to previously weighed receiver and allow the pipette to drain completely for 20 to 30 seconds. Then stopper the container and reweight it. Then calculate the volume of water delivered by the pipette from the weight and see the apparent volume from table. Then calibration of pipette is repeated as a check on work and duplicate results should not differ by the more than 1 ml. Then next, that is calibration of volumetric flask. First step, the volumetric flask is necessary to clean, rinse and then clamped in inverted position to dry it. Then next, stopper the flask and weight the nearest milligram and record this weight. Then next, fill the flask with distilled water at room temperature and adjust the lower meniscus of water to the level marked by means of pipette or dropper. Then stopper the flask and reweight the nearest milligram. Difference in weight gives the apparent volume of water content and from the weight of water calculate the actual volume. Then calibration should be checked by repeating the procedure and duplicate results should agree within 0.3 ml of the flask. The tolerance on capacity for volumetric flask as per Indian Pharmacopoeia is given. I'll stop here. That is the calibration of volumetric flask, calibration of burette and calibration of pipette.